Appreciate that. I'm going to have a look at my weekly updates now. I do a QANX weekly update. So I'm going to look at QANX now. I have no affiliation with the QanPlatform. I'm just an enthusiast with of this project. I feel that quantum computing is going to be big in the future, and because of that, I'm very interested in this layer 1, which has been in development for over 4 years. It's called QanPlatform. Do your own research. None of this is financial advice, and one of my friends got me interested, and the community is quite active, and so I kind of like doing this. That's the X page. They've just had a recent AMA. I haven't watched that, haven't looked at that, so I don't have any up-to-date information. I think probably just go and have a listen. And is there anything else? Most people still think quantum security is a future conversation. NTT Data's new report disagrees. Quantum risk isn't emerging anymore. It's being scheduled. Thread. Okay. I still feel that until we can get higher computes on quantum chips, we're still a way away. But again, this is a work in progress, and sometimes the opportunities are when no one is paying attention. I was looking at the charts on the QanPlatform, and the reality is, even though I'm kind of really bullish and I'm seeing this as an accumulation, I don't really like what I'm seeing at the moment. That's the truth. Yeah, I'm seeing heavy market buying, and it's just getting rejected right now on this weekly basis. We're getting a lot of buying, and it's just not going anywhere. Yeah, that's what it looks like to me. So there is market buying. There's accumulation happening, but I think it's a little bit bearish right now. You can see that the MACD is going up and the price isn't going up. There's a little bit of hidden bearish divergence is forming here, and it's almost like there's a little bit of selling going on, limit selling. The sells are getting absorbed. The buys are getting absorbed by the sell pressure, and so I do wonder if we're going to go down to take out these lows. I don't think the low is in just yet. I'm looking at the monthly time frame. Yeah, it's taken out the monthly high. You can see that, and we're right at the monthly open. It's looking quite bearish at the moment. So I don't want people to necessarily sell. I'm just being honest about what I'm seeing in the charts, and I don't know if, I think it's mainly to do with Bitcoin, to be honest with you. Bitcoin is kind of fragile. Oh, Bitcoin is fragile. Bitcoin is tender, and therefore people dump their altcoins. Again, none of this is financial advice, but it's all about strategy when you're accumulating these small micro cap, mini cap, whatever you call it, altcoins. When I do an overall volume pool on QANX, you can see that there's a, let me put this volume, oh, this is my old charts, whatever. I think this value area low is, we're probably going to hit it. You can see we've lost this post-hack value area low as well, which is around 2 cents, which is acting as resistance. I think the chances are high that we go and take out this low, these lows at just a shade under 1.5 cents. And obviously I'd like to see where Bitcoin finds support, because if it coincides, then that's probably a good place to buy another swing failure of these lows. And again, it's all about Bitcoin now, isn't it? I think that's really what's happening. Bitcoin needs to find the floor. And until it does, I think right now it's not looking bullish. I would like to see this high time frame point of control, this volume point of control there, to come down into these lows for heavy accumulation at these lows. We're still in the volume range. And so it's not, it won't look bearish until we lose it. If we lose it, then it becomes pretty bearish. And so even though it's bearish in a sense, it's not really, because we're just in the range, higher time frame range. We're ranging the top part of the range for a while. Now we're in the bottom part of the range, and this is where we're going to hopefully see heavy accumulation. The volume will tell us, the volume levels will tell us. So if we suddenly start seeing the point of control shift to the lows, that's going to be the first tell for a bullish accumulation. And then when that happens, hopefully timing it with Bitcoin, then maybe we can see this turnaround. Okay, so I'm not crazy about these weekly candles now, because you get like 3 or 4, maybe 4 green candles and the price is getting stuck. It's not a good sign, is it? Selling tails, these are selling tails. So I probably think it's going to go lower. And so the strategy, again, is all about strategy. It's not about buying QanPlatform token once and hoping it goes to the moon. It's about having an accumulation strategy, dollar cost average over a higher time frame, time weighted average price, and you have to execute your trade plan, having a higher time frame trade plan and executing it methodically rather than buy and forget and hope for the best. That's just hopium, right? So that's my weekly QanPlatform updates, and then I'll continue doing the weekly QANX updates. Any questions or anything, just pop it into my YouTube comments. And I'm accumulating. I'm kind of buying and selling, to be honest with you. I'm trading a little bit, adding volume, which is kind of what we all need to do. When I see that it's kind of a sell, I'll sell a little bit. When I see it's a buy, I'll buy a little bit, and I'll try and accumulate more spot on spot.